You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn once and for all how to pronounce this curious word. If you want to learn more pronunciations in English that are confusing, stay tuned, I've got more videos for you. The British English pronunciation, vendor. The British don't never generally pronounce the R here, vendor. Now the Americans say it as American English pronunciation, vendor. Vendor. So vendor or vendor. It's easy, and now you know. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.